We should have to be live now. We should have to be live now. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Yeah, I think so. Now you guys can hear me. So, a couple of scenarios I was just explaining before. I could not be able to really. Then I just checked we was not live really. So I have to repeat everything again. We are on a 1 minute time frame chart on a Bitcoin. 9:36 on a house market has already opened. We have a news at 8:30. This was the candle because of the news. This was the candle because of the note 8:15 and 8:30. This has been choppy price action so far from the market before the opening. Uh, just after the opening as well, if you can see, we have a couple of highs. I'm not really confident on all of those highs, these 1 minute time frame highs, and we have a couple of lows as well. I'm not really confident on. So just watching and observing the charts right now, guys. Doing nothing. I am right now at the moment. Just trying to remain focused. So just watching and observing the chart. Doing nothing. I'm just anticipating right now. This is my high. This is the lower level of the 5 minute time frame value gap. If it has to disrupt this low and all of those local lows and this blue line, it has to show. It should not have to go above this high now. It should have to show rejection, continue to show rejection, and then tends to be very short to knock all of those lows and this low as well. This is what it is I am looking for just now. If we complicate, if we try to think right now, like every possibility on charts, it will be more of like you are complicating the things. So that's why on 1 minute time frame I usually try to just anticipate initially, just one anticipation, that's it. Look for it, if it really has a potential to that anticipation to play it out or not. Just that's why. Oh my god. You have to show rejection, continue to show rejection, and then tends to be very short to knock all of those lows, then this low as well. This is what it is I am looking for just now. If we complicate, if we try to think right now, like every possibility on charts, it will be more of like you are. My stop loss, definitely. If you went for a shot at this range, your stop loss should be just above this high, just this green candle high, and from here we should have to anticipate this low to be knocked off. Like for example, if I can show you in here, we go for a short. For example, we go for a short in here. We are just losing this much amount, and we are looking for or that this is the target we're looking for. Oh, sorry. Do you think on 30-minute after market has a potential to be bearish from here? Yeah, it could be bearish. This is not denying. We cannot deny it. It could be bearish. 1 hour time frame as well. We have 12 minutes. Let's see. Within this 12 minutes, market has a potential to disrupt all of those lows. So far, it is going down. We have not taken any trade till now. I was just anticipating from here because it was going down, continued to show rejection from this range. My stop loss, I was just telling you above this high. We can go for a short in here. Made a retest toward upper side. You can go for a short in here as well. It's going down, which is great. I'm anticipating continuation toward downward side toward all of those lows. This could have been a very good shot, by the way, if this played out. But we did not trade this. We're just watching and observing the charts right now. Let's see. For me, there's no point for the market to go toward upper side from here right now to make a retest and then go down, or maybe go toward upper side. It is going down. We have those lows. It should have to knock all of those lows right now. Now your stop loss should be above this high now at the moment. Like your stop loss should be at a break even. You should have to look to take profit, close your position at this range. That's it. You're done with the trade, by the way. This is already more of a like from 110 500 to 110 uh to 110 like 500 $600 move on a trade day trade, which is good. I would say that. So this is good. So it is not really mandatory that market just have to take this low and then be bullish. Maybe it is possible because we have those highs in play. I'm not really confident on all of those highs as well. Possible, but it is also possible that I would be if I would have been went for a shot. I would have tried. I would have been most of. I would be taking profit at most of my profit at this range. Put my stop loss at close to the lows. Maybe continuation toward downward side, or because we have all of those highs, we're not really confident on these highs could be knocked off. That's why I'll be very much content with the price action that. Uh, I will be very much content to take profit or close a position. So we have not taken this trade, just watching and observing the charts, doing nothing. I think so. At this point, you should have taken most of your profit. Keep your stop loss there for now, just in case, and maybe look for this low to be knocked off. If you watch out, just on a bigger picture time frame, we this low has not been knocked. I think so. So this low is still left by the market. So 5 minute time frame market has gone down. Look at this wick. Look at this. Look at this. Definitely you should have taken look to take profit, man. Look to take profit. Close your position, man. This is not a trade. This is the like you're done with the trade. I think so. And now you look at this. The way it has created this wick, man. The way it has created this wick at this point on the market. 9 minute. We just come down, disrupt those lows. More of like trying to go to the upper side. We have to keep in mind on upper levels and upper section, we are not at all confident on all of those highs in play and 4 out after value gap. Maybe market and this is the price action market has formed just after the opening 9:15, but just 15 to 20 minutes after the opening. We can be going all the way toward upper side to knock all of those highs to this 4 out of value gap as well. Now I'm leaning more for like bullish or more for like anticipating that it could be possible not to knock all of those highs to this 400 fair value gap. Now we're just watching And I'm just watching and observing if it has the potential to do that. Open going up. Look at this, like 80 minutes left for the 30-minute time frame. We have the 8 minutes left for the 15-minute time frame close as well. So we have two possibilities for from here for the market to be bullish for all to over all of those highs. Continuation toward upper side, maybe aggressively bullish to knock all of those highs to the 4 hour time frame fairly gap, which is also possible. We cannot deny about this. Or it is possible that maybe just go toward upper side, show rejection, continue to hold the area, then give us entry, then try to be bullish. Possible that aggressively bullish as well. If it is aggressively bullish from here, this is the 5 minute time frame fairly gap we'll be looking for. Just wick into that because we have nothing on 15-minute time frame on a bigger picture time frame in here, so that's why. So just watching and observing the charts right now till now, we have not taken any kind of trade till now, so just keeping an eye on charts. So we have to keep an eye on bigger picture time frame as well, which is very important. These lows has been knocked off. 15-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame as well. 6 minutes left for the 1 hour time frame close as well. We have about to happen. So on 4 hour time frame, we are more like going down. So this 4 hour time frame had this disrupt this low. From here, it could be bullish. This high, that 4 hour time frame. Let's see. 30-minute time frame, we have seen that market open, going down, disrupt those lows. This low as well. 1 hour time frame, 30-minute time frame as well. So we have 6 minutes left. We're waiting for 6 minutes. Let's see if what market will do on this 6 minutes. For bullish case scenario, we should have to anticipate if the previous low could be the local bottom on charts. This is the previous low we have formed on bigger picture time frame. Let's see so that's why I'm waiting for the close to happen. If it closes like this, we can anticipate on 15-minute time frame. We can anticipate this could be the bottom, and the low is at 204.6. We can anticipate this could be the low if it closes like this, and then if it closes like very close to the wick, then we can anticipate, or maybe this may not be the low. So just anticipating for now. This low is a 1 of 50. This is a, oh my god. If we go for highlight this one, you'll see in here this Alvin's low. So below is 110 to 150. It is a roundabout number. So this low has already ripped or rigged all of those people who have been longing in here, putting their stop loss in there. So this low is more of a, like, you can say that a smart money low or bottom as well. On just can I buy from here? My stop loss will be just below this low. We'll be looking for all of those highs, those highs as well. Market could be aggressively bullish as well from here, or should have to just wait. Just thinking about this right now. Or can I buy at inversion of these 5 minute time? These 5 minute time fairly gaps for toward all of those highs and 4 hour time fairly gap as well. Just watching, just considering that as well. Considering this scenario on play as well. So I should have to wait. I think so. I think I should have to wait. I think I should have to wait, guys. What should I have to do? I'm just. I should have to wait. I think so. I think I should have to wait. I think I should have to wait, guys. What should I have to do? I'm just. Can I buy in here considering the fact that the previous low could be the local bottom and we have all of those highs? That could be the reason for the market to be bullish. We have gone down from here, disrupt all of those lows, create bottom as well in here, and then trying to go to the upside, or should I have to just wait? This is what it is I'm thinking about right now at the moment. What do you think on B? Look at this week, man. If it closes like this, I'll be confident to buy. Oh, 2 minutes left. Just waiting for the close, man. Just waiting for the close to happen. Can I buy in here? My stop loss will be below this low. I should have to wait. I'm looking to buy right now. Okay, for example, if it has to be bullish from here, it should have to tend to be bullish. In that case scenario, this should be your local bottom. This should be your low as well. You can put your stop loss below this low as well. It should not have to go below this low. Just anticipating this, not trading, not pushing the buttons right now. I'm anticipating this is my stop loss right now. This is my stop loss. I buy in here, for example, just in high inside, not real money or not any kind of trade. Let's see if it show any intent to go down below this low. It went down below this low, went down below this low, that it will be possible that it could knock this low as well again. Then we'll see if market has a potential after knocking this low continuation toward low levels, or maybe just knocking this low and then try to be bullish, which is also possible as well. We're just watching and observing the charts. Look at this. This is not really giving me a confidence that this could be the bottom. And we have to bear in mind that we have this 9:59 on the house right now. 10 o'clock is about to happen. Hourly close, 30-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame close about to happen as well. 4 hour time frame, we are just doing random things. We have 7 seconds, 6 seconds. Just waiting and observing. I think so. I should wait. So right now the weight has closed on 15-minute time frame. I'm anticipating this is the bottom on charts. This is the bottom. These lows market should have to backtest, hold these lows, and then aggressively bullish, inverting this 15-minute time frame. We have this 15-minute. I should have to highlight this one. I should have to highlight this. We don't need those levels for now. I'm just doing this one. I'm just doing this one in here. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap in here. We have. So yeah, when it inverts, if it, for example, if it has to be bullish from here, when it inverts this 15-minute time frame fairly gap, we will be looking to buy. Market could be aggressively bullish from here. The reason is we have all of those highs in play. We have already disrupted all of those lows, and it could be aggressively bullish as well toward all of those highs. Above this 15-minute time frame fairly gap, it will be great for market just to wick into that into this area, create fairly gap wick into this area, then we'll be looking to buy. So now, if for example, if this is the bottom on charts, this is the low right now for me. It should not have to go below this low. Look at this low, 110,315.1. I'm anticipating that if it has to knock all of those highs, go toward upper side, this is the low. It should not have to go below this low as well. just watching and observing this. We have to be very much careful on our charts. We have seen that many times. This has always happened as well on charts. Market continue to create lower high very close to the previous highs on charts. You will be thinking that the highs will be knocked off, but all of a sudden market roll down from here toward lower hours. This is the scene I have seen. This is the thing I have seen many times played out on charts. I have this model as well. I've been searching on about this backtesting, trying to do some backtest or learn this model more. Continue. The same thing could happen today as well, as we are anticipating inverting this value gap to be bullish, but all of a sudden it could roll down from here. This is the thing we should not have to forget about this as well. We should have to be keeping in mind. In that case scenario, if it has to do this, it should. I would be anticipating keeping this 15-minute time frame value gap open. Look at this. I'm not right now. I'm not confident to go for a buy right now. I was just anticipating at this range, like from here, could be aggressively bullish. Can I buy? I will put my stop loss in there. I would have stopped out. I was like, bro, should wait. If I was just taking this trade, I would have just stopped out in here. And then now we don't know which way it could go from here. We could possible from here knocking this low, continue to be bearish, knock those previous lows, and then try to be bullish as well. I will be looking to buy above this 15-minute time frame fair value gap on chart. That's it. As long as we're trading low levels, we can be anticipating from the market to be continue to be aggressively bearish from here. This is not this is also possible as well. And just on a bigger picture time frame as well, we cannot deny this. This is a 15-minute time frame value gap. Market has kept it open, so we can be continue to be bearish, knocking those lows and to this 109,800 as well, which is also possible. For example, if I get the opportunity like at this range, market just created fair value gap and wicked into this, I may look to go for a short toward all of those lows. Because at this point it is difficult to go for a short in here. Uh, at this point you could have gone for a short, close your position at this range, make a retest at this range. I was like could be aggressively very bullish from here. This point as well, it is like I was anticipating a bullish for a second from here. I was like when it knocked this low, I was like now it could go down from here. If it give me opportunity to go for a short in here, just wicked into any of the fairly gap, we'll be looking for this daily low on charts, this daily high on charts to be knocked off. To look for a trader for a short. I believe like it is not bullish now. Still, it is possible it could be bullish from here, but it is not bullish. We'll see how market will react to this daily high now. I think it should have to knock this daily high. Should have to knock this daily high. Because the weight has shown rejection and then come down. That's why. And it has already kept this 15-minute time frame gap open, so it means it really wants to go toward downward side from here. So there was a couple of scenarios I was just anticipating at this range on charts could be aggressively bullish because this low could be the bottom, and it was also known that this low, this blue line, is also previous low as well, which has left by the market. Possible from here market would be going down as well toward these local lows and this blue line and maybe this daily high as well. And this is what it is what market has done. I was just anticipating a bullish price action from here toward upper side, but we have left all of those lows in play. Market just showed rejection from this 1 out of minute after value gap, did not go above this high, keeping this 15-minute after value gap open, went down, disrupt all of those lows, and then daily high as well has been disrupted. These are the lows we was anticipating from the market to be knocked off when market was trading at this range. It just went toward upper side, remain sideways, and then continuation toward downside. We have seen that. We have not taken any kind of trade till now, just watching and observing the charts. I was just anticipating when it was just trading at this range, if it possible that it carried fair value gap and just wicked into that, I will be looking to go for a short. That wick will define my stop loss. I will be looking to target this daily high. Now it has done, so we cannot do anything. If, for example, if market just would have wicked into this fair value gap, my stop loss would have been just above this wick, and then I wouldn't be looking for this daily high to be knocked off. Small trade, you in and out. but we did not trade this. We just went down from there. So yeah. If you watch it just on a bigger picture time frame, we have already filled this fair value gap as well on daily time frame. This daily fair value gap has been filled by the market. 4 hour time frame we are going down. 1 hour time frame we have seen that we have gone down. We filled this fair value gap as well. 1 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame we still have this fair value gap to be hard to be filled off. Possible. Could be bearish. 15-minute time frame. Fair value gap. This possible. 5-minute time frame. Do you think the market has a yeah? This is also possible. This one more thing I really wanted to keep an eye or observe right now. Just on a bigger picture time frame, we have been creating lower high at these ranges on charts. We have seen that from after this low, market has went all the way to the upper side. Could come down to this low, like create lower high at this range. Maybe this low could be the lower high, and then still possible could continue to be bullish for all of those highs. Maybe those highs on shorter term time frame you can anticipate these local highs in this 4 hour time frame fair value gap, or maybe continuation toward upper side to knock all of those highs to the 50% of the daily fair value gap and these highs as well, which is also a concerning thing to me right now. Possible, for example, creating lower high at this range and then try to be bullish on a bigger picture time frame for all of those highs and this daily fair value gap as well. This is also possible as well. We cannot deny about this. So far it is going down. We have this low now, which is quite far from the price action. We have this daily fair value gap low as well on charts in here. We I'm I'm also very well known of the fact that 109,800 approximately 850 is a 50% of this daily fair value gap as well. If I could show you these gray lines, these are the daily fair value gaps. They are very dark. By the way, this is the daily fair value gap. 50% of this range is this daily high as well. 109,850. So we have to keep this in our mind as well. Maybe so as it is going down from here toward low levels, I'm anticipating first of all continuation to downward side to this low daily low 108,800 possible. Let's see if it has a potential to do that, or this daily high is a 50% of the daily fair value gap as well, could try to hold this area as well, which is also possible. So if it has to go down from here, I'm anticipating mass stop losses above this high. From here it tends to be bearish. 5 minute time frame we have seen aggressive price action from the market toward downward side. It should have to keep this value gap open if it has to go down. 15-minute time frame as well, it is going down. 30-minute time frame. Oh, sorry, 30-minute time frame as well. He's going down. 3 minutes left for the 15-minute time frame close. Let's see. If it remains sideways at this range, we may anticipate from here market continue to hold at this area for all of those highs in this area, which is also possible because we do not have any low at this range, like which may market target, which may sorry, to target on, if it shows in here. So if this is a quite big range from here to here. There's not any kind of low. We have these couple of favorable gaps in here as well. So we could hold this area, create low local bottom at this range, and we have all of those highs still in play. That could be the reason for the market to be bullish. So this could have been a short at this range today. We could have maybe two trades on a chart today. When it created this is 1 minute after now. Yeah, when it created this week, it was continuing to show rejection for 5 minute after really gap. I was like, you can go for a short in here above this high stop loss. Look for local lows. I was looking for this low as well. At this point in time, it did not knock this low. Just went to up. So I was anticipating like if it closed bullish like this, get a big wick and close like that, then we can anticipate local bottom of this range. We could see aggressive bullish price action as well toward upside from here, which is also possible. And then we left those lows in play. This is the thing. This is the thing that actually did not comes into my mind, that we still have this low. We're still bearish. We still have this low which has not been knocked off. That could be the reason for the market to be bearish. In that case scenario, I was like, I would have been thinking like, this is a fairly gap. Just wicked into this, and we still have all of those lows in play. Should not have to go above this high, stop loss above this high. You can go for a short for all of those lows, this low and maybe this low as well. This could have been a good day trade, by the way. From just stop loss in here, just stop loss in here above this high, just in very small amount. Just looking for these previous lows to be knocked off to the daily high as well, from 110,500 approximately to 109,800. Approximately more of a like uh, 5 to 800 is more of like $700 move, and you're risking very small amount. Look at this. You're risking very small amount, just the previous high. So let's see. So let's see what market will do now. What market will represent to us right now. I have not pushing the buttons. I have not pushed the buttons right now. I'm not trading anything. Just watching, observing the charts right now. That's how it is. Sometimes it feels like when we have a couple of highs, couple of lows in play on charts. Look at this. The same thing happened today. Same thing, man. I've seen these things many times on a trading. Always I have seen this trend. Continue to create low high at these ranges. Continue to create low high at these ranges. And all of a sudden roll down. We think like, oh, market will be bullish from here. Good gold traders, we have already knocked those lows. We could be bullish from here. Now it will knock all of those highs now. And then what market will do actually, it continue to be aggressively bearish from here, continue to create low high in here, and then continue to be bearish. Retest that, like retest, we usually anticipate that could be reversal, but retest for the continuation toward downward side. We have seen that today again, one time, one day, one more time. This happens so many times. This is a setup, man. I really have to work on. This is a setup. I really have to backtest these setups. Yeah, I really have to backtest. So sorry guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm just watching and observing the charts right now. I'm just anticipating one thing right now. To keeping this 5 minute time for value gap open, these are the previous highs. If it has to go down to knock this low, I'm just anticipating right now it should not have to go above this high. So just watching and observing right now, I'm anticipating market may not go above this high, these previous local highs, and then continue to be bearish from here. Just watching and observing the charts right now, doing nothing. I would say that in this morning session, this could have been a trade, but we was thinking about other scenarios on charts. We did not think about these lows. This low still was there, and then when it created wicked into this Waverly gap, I really did not realize. I was just anticipating more of like bullish price action from here toward upper side. When it created this week, I was like my stop plus. I was just telling you guys my stop plus is below this low, looking for highs. But I did not realize we have these lows as well, which this blue line, which is a previous low, which has not been knocked as well. We have this daily high as well. We are already bearish as well. I did not realize this, and market has done the same thing. When it was just trading at this range, I was like, now it is going down. It will be great if you just give me wick at this wick inside this favorable gap. I will be looking to go for a short. That wick will define my stop loss as well. We'll be looking for all of these local bottom lows and then this daily high as well. But we did not trade that. This is good, by the way. Like I would say that at least I was just looking to buy at this range. I was just looking to buy this range, putting my stop loss just below this low. But I just wait. And this I used to do many times before that. I remember myself like I used to be like market is actually bearish or bullish on a shorter term time frame. It will tends to continue its trend toward upper side or maybe downward side. The same thing the way it has happened today as well. On shorter term time frame, market is already bearish. We have already all of those lows in play. That could be the reason for the market to be bearish. Continuation toward downward side. But I used to just buy like, oh, it will be buying here. This is the bottom. I chased the bottom. You chase the bottom and then you rigged yourself by chasing the bottom on just. I used to do that. I remember once, and today I was just we did not trade anything. I was just anticipating that may play it out. This is the thing, like that's how the mindset shift comes into play in trading. So that this is the thing, like I always before that I used to trade that like, oh, this is the bottom, oh, this is the top. Now I'm buying or selling. Now I anticipate the bottom, and we anticipate that the trade as well, but we do not push the buttons. Now we realize that market tends to continue its momentum or continue its trend toward upper side or downward side, and then you can always you cannot chase the bottom. You can always get entry on a market a little bit late, which will be fine. A small trade, which will be fine as long as you're trading right. So chasing the market at the bottom at the top, not good. This is what we learn today. If I would have bought at this point, I would have been chasing the bottom. At this range, I would have been chasing the bottom. I did not bought, we did not chase the bottom, but we anticipate the bottom. You can anticipate the bottom, which is fine, but you cannot chase the bottom. Or maybe the top. So far this is more of like choppy price action on daily high. Could be continuation to a downside, which is possible, or which because we are bearish, that's why. Or we could hold this area, which is a 50% of daily favorable gap as well. We could hold this area as well. And maybe in afternoon session, market could be bullish toward all of those highs, which is also possible. We have a news as well at 3 p.m. This was the news candle. After that, this happened. Just watching and observing the charts, guys. Doing nothing. Trying to focus on market. That's it. We have this 15-minute time frame close as well. Happen. We have this is the 15-minute time frame fairly gap as well, which is this one. Let's see how market will react to this 15-minute time fairly gap. We're still not confident at all of those lows. Still bearish. We have two possibilities in the afternoon session: continuation to a downward side for this low, daily fair value gap low, or could go for the reversal all the way toward upper side for all of those highs and that high as well, which is also possible. We cannot deny this. So just anticipating or watching the charts, doing nothing right now at the moment. I believe there is no trade for me right now at the moment. Could have been a trade. This one, we was not really sure. We actually did not align ourselves with the continuation to downside anticipation. I was just anticipating a reversal, and market continue to be going down from here toward lowlouts. So we did not chase that. We just watch, observe, and wait. These are the things you learn by being in front of the charts, but keep on watching the same things again and again. And but I would tell you the weight has gone down from here toward low levels. Um, this has I have seen this so many times, man, so many times. So let's see how market will react to this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. We'll see. We will anticipate continuation toward downside from here. First probability, and we'll see if market remains sideways. Did not really went down from there. Then we may anticipate a reversal as well in the afternoon session. And watching these lows in play on bigger picture time frame, maybe look at this 30-minute time frame low. Maybe market possible if it closed like this on 1 hour time frame, we can anticipate that. We just fill this 1 hour time frame gap as well in here. So do we need to highlight this 1 hour time frame gap in here or not? Not sure. So this is more of like 1 hour time frame gap as well. Uh, we just keep this in here. So if I draw in here, it will be too much complicated. I don't want too much complication in here. So one complication also like that. You can say that if it closes like this, market has respected this 1 hour time frame value gap. We can anticipate a reversal as well in the afternoon session. We'll see how it goes. The high of this is 110 or 91. Let's see. So if it would have been aggressively go down, if it has to be aggressively go down from here for the continuation to go down side, it would have been just happened to this 15-minute after gap then go down. I think so. The way it is trading right now, for now, market is trading. I think morning session is already done. And market is more of like trying to build for the afternoon session. And afternoon session continuation toward downside we will be anticipating a first probability. First of all, continuation toward downside, which will be because it is going down, or reversal from here toward all of those highs, which is what I've just highlighted. Which is what this These are the highs. So I want this one in play, and sorry, I want this one in here. So if you watch out these lows are really not really confident lows. But if you watch out this thing on bigger picture time frame, you can anticipate that the previous low could be the bottom. We have 17 minutes left for the 1 hour time frame close as well. Um, if we have to figure out like if this is a, if for example if a market has to reverse from here, we have to figure out if the previous low is the local bottom or not. So far, the way it has created on shorter term time frame, 1 minute time frame, these lows maybe these lows may not be a local bottom. Did not seems to me a local bottom for now. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap. It would if this price action would have been aggressively bearish, market would have just tapped into this fairly gap and then would have gone down already. But it is trading inside this range. It is that is more of like show more of like telling me that market is not aggressively bearish. It means it could be bullish as well from here toward upper side. Just anticipating this kind of price action. Yeah, the other thing I really have to do, yeah, while doing this, I forgot about this. I've not defined my daily goals on Twitter. Yesterday as well, I forgot everything. While this is happening, quickly do this as well because I woke up, went to the gym, and then come back, do a little bit of analysis, fall asleep, and woke up again at 2 p.m. So Oh my god, I forgot to put this this thing in play. Hmm. Yeah, I forgot to post this, share this link for the live stream on Twitter. Sometime I do forget. Look at this how market has closed at this 15-minute after failure gap. More of like respect. Fill this failure gap, respect. Let's see for bearish case scenario. Do not go above this high now. Already bearish, continuation to downside I'm anticipating. My stop loss will be, you can put your stop loss above this high now and look for the market to go down to disrupt all of those lows and maybe this low as well. But we're not trading this. We're just watching and observing. Not really confident to go for a short right now. The way it is performing right now, it seems to me that it has done what it has to do in the morning session. It is more like preparing itself for the afternoon session, which is possible around about 9:30 to 11:30 is the morning session, and we have seen 12 how to half past 12 to 1 to 3 o'clock is the afternoon session. That's it. After that market, we you will not there is not really a volatility on charts. We have seen so many times. Yeah, that's the thing. Sorry guys, I'm watching the charts right now. I'm doing some of this other stuff as well, doing some Twitter thing, and well, I as well. I think we may finish this live stream at 11 o'clock, but just watching and observing. That's how this is what I was thinking other day. This live stream is very boring because nobody really wants to be come as left everything and then come and watch you. Why would everybody would do that? So I have to make people to come and watch me. There, that's how your live stream should be. So I really have to work on my live stream, everything. When it comes to that, look at this. It has certain rejection. It has certain rejection from the 15-minute FLE gap. Again, this is the high. Let's see if we was just anticipating that it should not go above this high from here, go down. Let's see now it go down. This is the high again. Stop loss above this high. Keeping this level, this 1 minute FLE gap open. It will be great. Going down, disrupting all of those lows we are not confident on. Let's see on bigger picture time frame it is possible. We're just watching. Let's see, 15-minute time frame may be possible. Yeah, 30-minute time frame possible. A 1 hour time frame. I have 5 minutes left for the 1 hour time frame close as well. 30-minute time frame may be possible as well. Let's see if it has a potential to do that, or maybe it could hold this area as well. Then try to go to double side, which is also possible. Just anticipating that. Not to go above the high, not to go above the high. Knock all of those lows. Let's see. Yeah, so far it is going down. I was just anticipating at this range when it got this high. I was like, this is a favorable gap. Keeping it open, it will be great to see if it has a potential to disrupt all of those lows. I'm anticipating this low should have to be knocked off right now, but if it remains low, very choppy at this range, we may left this low to be knocked off, which is also a possibility as well. Let's see how it will perform in here. Yeah, so far it is going down, which is good. We was anticipating. We did not trade really that. Yeah, why for example, yeah, why I did not run for a shot in here. Uh, my stop loss would have been my stop loss would have been just above this high. We was anticipating keeping this favorable gap open. It keep this favorable gap open. Just tap into this favorable gap as well, disrupting all of those lows because we set up from already bearish. We were already bearish on charts. Continuation possible. Why did not run for a short in here? This is a question, by the way. If you ask me, just yeah, I don't know, man. Why did not run for a short in here? I think this is a trade. Going for a short in here, this low and this low, 500 $700 move on charts today. This could have been a trade. That's it for the morning session. I don't know what the afternoon session. We may have a volatility. We may not have volatility. We don't know. But this could have been a trade for today. Yeah, which we miss. We miss, or we can say that we did not actually really anticipate that. Yeah, but we should have to anticipate this as well. We should have to. We should have to anticipate that. Yeah. So yeah, this is what it is here. Why had he not went for a shot in here? This could have been a shot, a very good shot. No, I don't know. If you just aiming for just these three lows, um, 109, 900 to 600, maybe continuation toward low levels possible as well. I think we miss the trade. No, I don't know, man. Actually, so how difficult this session was in respect to trading? It was not really difficult. I made it difficult, by the way. I made it difficult focusing on uh, irrational things. I think so. And look at this. Like this could have been a trade as well. Like shot in here, keeping the fair value gap open. Shot in here, looking for all of those lows. Bigger picture time frame. We're already going down from here. And then, how far do you think this 4 hour time frame? I don't think so. This is going to go down to all the way to below this low. Could just go down to this area, which is also 4 hour time frame gap low as well in here. 109,400 approximately. Let's see if it continue to be bearish from here. 109,400 we'll be looking for. So far it has respected this 1 minute time frame PTA raise. I'm anticipating market should have to respect this. Aggressively going down from here to 109,400. We'll see how the market will perform in here. Feeling bad right now. could have jumped into trade in here. Why didn't this is what it is. I'm wondering right now. Why I did not went for a short in here? Like this is already a short now. This is already a short, man. Market is already going down. Already show rejection from 15 minutes. This is the high I was aiming for. This is the why it like failed to just show rejection from there, then go down. Wants to go to the upper side. No, because it wants to go downward side. And then this is the fairly gap market, keep it open, then go down from here, disrupting all of those lows. These are already lows we are not really confident on. What time did this happen? At 9 uh 10:52. Oh my god, this could have been a very good short as well in here. You go for a short in here, look for all of those low profit at this range, let the market run. Maybe it has to go to you chase 109,400. 109,400 is done. Now you chase for the low of the daily fairly gap, which is possible as well. Already going down. Do not needs to go toward upper side from here and then be bullish. No, it is already bearish. Overall, bigger picture time frame, it is bearish. Keeping this 4 out of a fairly gap open, this is already a sign that market really wants to go toward downside. This is what I was anticipating initial. Like it should have to keep this favorable gap open if it has to go down. So it kept this favorable gap open, by the way. No, man. So now we have a couple of things right now. We have these lows, bigger picture time frame lows. I'm not really confident on all of those lows. Not at all confident on all of those lows. Now I wanted to see if market has a continuation, if it has a possibility to continue to be bearish for all of those lows. Maybe as it is creating a lower highs at in these ranges, low high in these ranges could create low high at this range as well, and try to be more of like try to go toward upper side as well. Maybe try to knock all of those previous highs. Maybe go toward upper side, create low high, lower high, and then roll it down as well, which is also a possibility that may played out on in the market. We cannot deny about this. So today I have to do it for 8 to 10 hour of trading the market, live stream, upload short. I don't know. My mind is more of like not into really into charts. I had to do live stream, upload short. We are doing live stream, upload short. I will upload short late night. Go to the gym, which is done. I have to become a better trader. I have to go. How to go my Insta. I have to do research on my new business. So far, it is respecting this. Look at this. 1 minute after fairly gap. Just respect this fairly gap. Let's see. I'm looking for this low to be knocked off right now because it is going down. That's why. It's 11:15 on the house right now. Not sure which way market would go from here, but anticipating this. Not trading. Can't trade that now, man. Can't trade. Could go down, by the way. It should go down. 108, 800. It could go all the way to 108, 800. If I could be able to get a just $500 move trade for today, I'll be quite happy. Just one trade. But look at this. Like if you go for a short in here, go for a short in here. Watch, observe, sit still. Have a trust on yourself. You've been a very you've been a profit. You've been a profit. Yeah. But I would have definitely take close my position at this range. Look for me for go for a short, and in here, don't know why I did not why I did not consider to go for a short in here. Like I was like, oh my god, I don't know. Oof. Sometimes it's like that. Is it I'm not really confident or not focused on charts? I'm not. I don't know. I don't even know that as well. I'm not at all focused on charts. I don't know, man. What is it I'm trying to achieve in life? Oops. So just anticipating that this is the failed gap. It will be great if market keep this failed gap open and be bearish for this low. I'm actually hungry as well. I wanted to go for to eat something. Nice weather. Right now, I can't do anything, man. I can't chase the market. I can't be more of like, I do not want to. So we are just watching and observing the charts, anticipating and predicting from here for the market to continue to be bearish to 108,900 approximately. Can I go for a short right now? Uh, I can go for a short, I think so, but I don't know, man. Can I go for a short right now? You can go for a short right now. I think there's nothing on the charts in here. I believe it could be going down from head rollers. Maybe the only thing is like I'm concerning right now. Maybe market could more of like chop at this range and prepare itself for the afternoon session, and then in afternoon session market is bearish, which is also possible as well. We've kept this 15-minute really gap open, which was already a sign that market really wants to go toward downside. Kept it fairly gap in 15-minute time frame, tab into this twice, then went down, and then we don't need this for now. This 1 hour time frame makes me confusion. Like I was like, market could hold this area and then be bullish as well, but it really went down from there. And yeah, we could be bearish from here, but we can anticipate a chop as well. A little bit of a chop for an hour at this range before going down. Yeah, and we have these lows in play. I'm not aiming for these lows. I'm just aiming for this daily fair value gap low, which is a likely possibility that market could knocked off because it is going down, trending down. Market tends to be to remain in a trend. We have seen that many times. So overall, if you watch out in the morning session, this could have been a short from here. If you miss this short, this could have been a good short. I don't know why I did not trade this short, man. Why I didn't I don't know, man. Why I did not jump into short? I was just when it showed rejection from this range. I was just explaining. You should have to keep this level gap open and tends to be bearish for all of those. Just I could not be able to think that can I go for a short? It would have been a very small stop loss, like just stop loss just above this high, 110, 100 approximately, and you're going for a short in here, 900, 200 or low short stop loss. You can do that, and then you're going for all of those lows, these lows as well, 108, 109, 400 as well. Maybe this low as well, already bearish. Well, how can I not miss this trade, man? How can I miss this trade? Why did I went for a short in here? What I was thinking about this at this point, man. That's how it is, man. That's why I really did not like to do anything else while doing trading. I really did not want to use social media. I really did not want to talk to anybody. I really did not want to uh, put my mind into any small other things while doing trading. And this is what it is. I think that I missed this trade. The reason is like I was on Twitter. I was using Twitter. I was defining my daily goals, and then I missed this trade, man. She cannot afford to do that, man. This has been happened before as well. Do I have to punish myself for that? So I would say that I missed this trade because I really did not think about like it could be bearish from here. I was looking for bullish, pressing, which is fine. You can be like that. Like I was really bullish in here, and then at this point when I was looking for like now it is bearish, it was already late. Okay, it's fine. But this point was bearish, not confident all of those lows. Already showed rejection twice in here. I was just explaining, telling myself my stop loss above this high, from here go down. When it could be this week, I was like, may not go down. When it could this high, you can go for a short. Good fairly gap, keeping open, can go for a short. How can I miss this trade, man? So, I don't know. This is a quite obvious trade, man. 109 900 to 109 300, approximately $600 move. This is not a very big move, by the way. But as a trader, this could have been a short, man. So far today is Wednesday. Today is Thursday, so I have not taken any trade till now this week. Even on demo as well. What about real one demo as well? Yeah. On Tuesday we miss. Yeah, on Tuesday we miss a very $1,000 move trade. Today we miss another 500 $600 move trade. Tuesday we miss a move because of my own personal reasons. I was doing irrational things. Today as well, more of like I was doing irrational things. Then I miss a move. Miss a trade. What do I have to do now? What do I should do now? I think so, I should have to finish this last stream, guys. Just quickly want to wrap up a couple of things. We had a good morning session. There was a volatility, Charles. I would say that I would say that it is not. I would say if you're a beginner, it is not easy to trade this kind of environment. And we have seen this setup played out many times. Continue to create low high, low high, low high, and then all of a sudden roll down. All of a sudden roll down from their low levels. At this point, I was when it get that little bit of bounce, I was looking for which could be bullish from here. Everybody will be looking for the bullish case scenario from here. Like let's just disrupt all of those lows. Now it will be go up, but it remain continue to be bullish from here. This is what we have seen today on charts. If you can say like that, create low high and there, and then go down from here, disrupt this daily low. This could have been a short. We missed this short, and if you miss this short, this is fine. Um, you should not think like that, but for the next time I'll be careful on charts, like before thinking about like this could be the bottom of this could be the top. Before thinking about that, I should have to think about like continuation of the trend as well. I'll be careful about that. We learned this in this morning session, and also could have been a very good short. This 15-minute half really gap, short rejection from there twice. When it created those highs in here, when it created those highs in here, this is the high I was looking for, not to go above this high. When it go up again, show rejection from this high, I was like, now you can go for a short, keeping this fairly gap open, stop loss there, go for a short in here, look for all of those lows, maybe continuation to go downside. This could have been a quite obvious trade. I could not be able to take that trade. This would have been a very obvious trade, but I would say that pretty much overstrayed and could not be able to take that trade as well. I don't know, man. I don't know why it is happening. Like, what is it? I'm making mistake. I can say that I was not in front of the charts. I was doing something else, and that's why I missed this trade. This has happened this week on Tuesday. This week now as well. Tuesday we missed this very good trade. Today we missed this very good trade. More of like 700, $800 move. So that's why till now, this been Thursday, 4 days, we have not taken any trade on a chart, and uh, that's how it is. Tomorrow we'll come back stronger. I'll be watching this afternoon session as well. We'll come back stronger. I have to go for lunch, and then I will be watching this afternoon session as well. And I may go for library as well today. We have if we have time. So it's just 5:30. So 5:30, I can go to the library as well for a couple of hours. I've been not been there in there for many time. So I wanted to go there as well today. We'll see. Maybe afternoon session I will watch over there as well. So we'll see how it goes. I'll try to be remain more focused on charts because yeah, I can say that my mind was not in front of the charts when this happened, and that's why we missed this trade. And this happened twice in this week. I just today I have given myself a punishment. I think I should have to give another punish myself again one more time for this. Why I am doing this. So that's how it is. This trading sucks actually. not easy, but I love to do that. I love to be in front of the charts. I love to read the candles. I love to keep my mind open, and I love to anticipate or predict the market. Whatever it is, I love to do that. So that's why I'm stick to it. Most of the people don't stick to it, so they lose the grip on it. So that's how it is. Go guys. I hope you guys get to learn something. Uh, we will come back tomorrow. We'll do live stream tomorrow. We'll do a live stream a little bit late tomorrow because I have to go for prayer tomorrow, and we have to keep in mind we have this news as well coming up. Oh, sorry, we have news as well. Non-form hourly or non-form employment change. It's 1:30 on house as well. 8:30 will be in New York time. So we'll have a news as well. I would anticipate volatility on our charts tomorrow if I can be able to get just one trade for a whole week. I'll be quite happy. We'll see how it goes. Otherwise, uh, it's fine. As a this month of September, I'll be very careful on charts to look for any kind of trade because we'll see. We'll see from second week of September. You'll see irrational price action from the market. Market will show irrational price action. We'll see how the things will. I will try to do. I will do journal this price action. I missed this trade. I will do journaling. What I've done wrong. What I have to do. So and we'll see how it goes on charts. That's how it is. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll leave it late, maybe 3 o'clock. 3:15.